In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Polly to Slack. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Polly installed and ready to use for quick polls, surveys, and team feedback right inside your Slack workspace. Let's start from your Slack desktop app or the web version of Slack. Make sure you're logged into the correct workspace where you want to install Polly and that you have the right permissions. Usually, you'll need to be either a workspace owner, admin, or have app management permissions enabled for your account. If you are unsure, you can still follow along. Slack will let you know if you need extra approval. From your main Slack window, look towards the top left area where your workspace name appears. Here, you'll find an option related to workspace administration. Click on the admin option. This opens up the area where you manage settings, apps, and other workspace tools. Once you're in the admin section, look for the option labeled Apps and Workflows. Go ahead and click on that. This is your central hub for anything app-related in Slack, including installing new tools like Polly, managing existing apps, and setting up automations. Inside the Apps and Workflows area, you'll see different ways to explore apps. Find and click on the Browse button. This will take you to the Slack app directory or marketplace for your specific workspace, where all available integrations are listed. At the top of the marketplace page, you should see a search bar. Click into that search field and type in Polly. Make sure you spell it correctly with a Y at the end. As you type, Slack will start showing you matching results. In the search results, look for the app named Polly. It usually has a recognizable logo and clearly says it's a polling and survey app for Slack. Click on Polly to open its dedicated app page within the Slack marketplace. On the Polly app page, you'll see more information about what the app does, along with an option that says Add to Slack. Click on Add to Slack to begin the installation process. Slack may briefly redirect you to a confirmation screen. You'll now be asked to review the permissions Polly needs in order to work in your workspace, such as posting messages or accessing channels. Take a moment to scan these permissions so you understand what you're approving. When you're ready and everything looks good, click on Allow. That's it. You've successfully added Polly to Slack, and you can now start creating polls and gathering feedback directly from your channels.